Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking egusi soup. Alright, let's get into the video. So I just took egusi that was already in powder form, added water and mixed it, and that's how I got this egusi paste. One very engaging thing about making this soup is that you have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring. When it's as if it's sticking, you need to add water so it doesn't like stick. You have to do this until you get the perfect texture that you're looking for. So that's like the most engaging task about making this soup, like with this method. All right. So like I said earlier, the reason why I'm adding water at intervals like this is so that it doesn't start burning, because it's sticking and it can burn when it's so dry, and so that it also help me to get that texture I'm looking for. Now see, it has started forming that texture I want, but then you can see that it's sticking to the pot underneath. Don't be scared about anything, because by the time you add water and every then there will be nothing sticking under your pot. Just for now, just let it be. Keep stirring it so that you get this kind of flaky texture, something that looks like egg sauce or something like that. I don't know how to explain it, but you should, when you're doing your own, you should just have this in mind so that your own can look like this. Since I'm satisfied with this texture at the moment, I'm going to be adding other things like my beef, then my broth and every. Keep watching. You can see the texture, very mara. Okay, don't worry if it burns a little. You can get up here. Now what's in hand now? So this is how I got the beef and fish broth. Okay, moi, you are the covenant keeping God. Okay, moi, okay, booby. Jehovah. So after allowing this beef to bring out its own juice, I will now just add water. So I'll let it boil very well to the point where my beef is done before I add the fish, because the fish doesn't really need to be cooked for long. If not, it's going to pieces. So this is the broth I got from cooking that. And it's going to be the only form of water I'm adding to my soup. I'm not going to add any other water whatsoever. That's why. I'm using it. So after putting everything, I'll just cover it so the egusi can cook through. So you don't end up purging after eating egusi. Most times why people purge after eating egusi is because the egusi was not properly cooked. So if you notice this egusi, I'm leaving it on fire for a very, very long time. Though this video can make it look shorter. So now I'm going to add my leaves since I believe it's cooked enough. You understand? So it's an habit. I love to sprinkle salt on my leaf, on any leaf, whenever I'm putting it, especially in a soup like this, because leaf tends to have its own liquid substance. So I didn't put too much seasoning in this soup so that it tastes natural, but by result of putting this leaf, it can reduce like the taste. So this salt I'm sprinkling on the leaf is just to retain my soup taste without anything being watered down. So now I'm going to put the fish. The fish is always the last thing because it's very fragile and it can just pieces, and you won't be able to account for any fish you put in the soup. So at this point we can say our soup is ready to eat. Very easy method. You can try this anywhere you are. You can try it, and I promise you, if you follow this method, your soup must come out like this. Also, believe me when I say it doesn't just look nice, man, it does taste nice. So today I'm going to be eating this egusi soup with what we call akpu. You can also call it fufu. It's made from cassava, fufu. So I'm going to be eating my egusi with fufu, but you can eat your egusi with pounded yam, you can eat it with gari, you can eat it with wheat meal, semo, and any other thing you like. So thank you for watching. Hold on. Yeah, you can also use rice to eat it.